Welcome to Aon Product Picks, your trusted source for honest tech reviews, budget-friendly gear, and the best tools to fuel your creativity. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best budget 3D printers in 2025, perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and makers who want high-quality prints without breaking the bank. From fast setup to precision performance, these 3D printers prove you don't need to spend a fortune to get amazing results in 2025. Magnifying glass tilted left will break down the features, print quality, ease of use, and overall value of each model to help you find the perfect machine for your projects. So if you're ready to start printing smarter on a budget, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into the countdown. Number 5. Anycubic Photon Mono 2. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is a compact yet powerful resin 3D printer that offers excellent detail and ease of use, making it ideal for beginners and hobbyists. It features a 6.6-inch 4K plus monochrome screen with a 34 micrometers XY resolution, ensuring crisp, high-quality prints. Setup is straightforward with auto-leveling and a laser-engraved build plate that significantly enhances first-layer adhesion. It also includes an anti-scratch LCD protector, helping to prevent resin spills and prolong screen life. The upgraded Li-Turbo Matrix light source ensures smoother surface finishes by reducing layer lines. User experience is further improved with an intuitive touch TFT interface and the Photon Workshop 3.0 slicer, which is beginner-friendly and functional. Priced between $199 and $230, the Mono 2 offers solid value for its print quality and features. However, the build does have a few downsides. Its lightweight plastic shell and feet can make it unstable, so using a non-slip mat is advised. Additionally, it lacks Wi-Fi connectivity and has a relatively small build volume, which may not suit larger projects or all curing stations. Despite these minor limitations, the Photon Mono 2 remains a top contender in its price range for high-resolution resin printing. Number 4. Elegoo Centauri Carbon. The Elegoo Centauri Carbon offers exceptional value in a compact Core XY design, priced attractively at just $299. With blazing print speeds up to 500 mm per second and rapid acceleration of 20,000 mm/s superscript 2, it rivals machines that cost significantly more. The sturdy die-cast aluminum chassis, tempered glass panels, and dual-sided magnetic PI plate provide excellent stability and ease of use. Features like one-click auto-leveling, Z-offset compensation, and a quiet, enclosed build make it a dream for beginners and makers alike. Add Wi-Fi, USB, internal memory, and a built-in chamber camera for time-lapse recording, and you've got a printer that's surprisingly polished for its class. However, the Centauri Carbon isn't flawless. The chamber lighting is dim, which can hinder visibility during long prints, and the lack of a heated chamber means materials like ABS and ASA may not print reliably. Users have also reported minor firmware bugs and occasional hardware issues, such as loose magnets or fan noise, though Elegoo is actively addressing these in updates. Despite these quirks, reviewers widely praise its out-of-the-box experience, print quality, and blazing speed. For hobbyists or prosumers looking to explore Core XY printing on a budget, the Centauri Carbon is one of the most exciting options currently available. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a compact yet feature-rich desktop 3D printer that caters perfectly to beginners and hobbyists. With a 180 by 180 by 180 mm build volume and lightweight 5.5 kg steel aluminum chassis, it fits easily into most workspaces. It comes equipped with full auto-calibration, handling bed leveling, Z-offset, vibration, and motor noise compensation, allowing for a true plug-and-play experience. Its high-speed capabilities, up to 500 mm per second, and compatibility with common filaments like PLA, PTG, and TPU make it versatile, while extras like the AMS Light multicolor system, magnetic quick-swap nozzle, filament sensor, and touch interface give it a premium edge uncommon in entry-level printers. In real-world use, the A1 Mini impresses with its print quality, speed, and near-silent operation, less than 48 dB. Reviewers and users alike praise its reliability, intuitive setup, and smooth performance, noting it just works straight out of the box. While some users feel limited by its smaller build volume or mention minor annoyances like AMS purge waste, the overall consensus is overwhelmingly positive. For anyone looking to start 3D printing with minimal hassle and maximum efficiency, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini delivers an exceptional, beginner-friendly experience at a competitive price. Number 2, Creality Ender 3v3 SE. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE delivers an impressive entry-level 3D printing experience that's both affordable and beginner-friendly. Priced around $200, it comes equipped with automatic bed leveling via CR Touch and a strain sensor, eliminating the hassle of manual adjustments and ensuring reliable first-layer adhesion. Its direct-drive sprite, extruder, dual Z-axis stability, and sturdy Y-axis linear rails allow it to print materials like PLA, PETG, and TPU with consistent precision. With print speeds up to 250 mm per second and a setup process that takes less than 30 minutes for most users, the V3 SE punches well above its price class in terms of performance and ease of use. However, it's not without compromises. The non-touch 3.2-inch screen, lack of a filament runout sensor, and limited connectivity (USB-C and SD card only) may feel outdated to some. Additionally, while the printer is generally reliable, some users report issues like wobbly frames, uneven beds, and occasional firmware or temperature errors. The plastic base and basic firmware also restrict its expandability for more advanced users. Still, despite these limitations, the Ender 3v3 SE offers outstanding value for beginners and hobbyists looking for a capable high-speed printer at a budget price, with plenty of room to grow through upgrades. Number 1, Sovol SV06 AC. However, the SV06 AC isn't without its caveats. Multiple users on Reddit and forums have reported out-of-the-box issues such as warped build plates, flickering touchscreen displays, and recurring fan error messages. One frustrated user described their heat bed as warped like a taco shell, with an almost 0.8 mm variance that the automatic bed leveling couldn't fully correct, forcing them to resort to manual adjustments or hardware mods. Others experienced screen glitches or firmware instability that affected print reliability, especially during long jobs. Despite these setbacks, many users still consider the Sovol SV06 ACE a strong contender in the under $400 category, especially for those who are comfortable tweaking hardware or installing firmware updates. The Clipper firmware and modular design make it easy to upgrade, and the community around it is growing fast. If you're willing to put in a bit of troubleshooting effort, the SV06 ACE offers speed, features, and print quality that often rival more expensive printers. For hands-on makers who enjoy fine-tuning their machines, it's a very compelling choice. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.